Chapter 19, Part 3, Translation. Cet homme grand et pauvre est un brave type. So we've got two adjectives that are after the noun, so this will be the literal. So grand is tall, pauvre is poor. So this tall and poor man est un brave type. Brave coming before the word type, which means kind of like guy. It's an informal way of saying a guy or a person. Brave in the figurative sense just means a brave type is a good guy. So this tall and poor man is a good guy. La même personne a un certain âge. So here we've got même before, which would mean the same. So this same person, so when we're talking about the previous sentence, a un certain âge. And so here we've got avoir plus age, and that's translated is. To avoir un âge means to be aged. And un certain âge, if you found that in the dictionary, that means that's an expression that means middle age, or maybe even a little past middle age. But in English, middle age, that also kind of means everything before being a senior citizen. So this same person is middle aged. Okay, here we have l'âge même n'est pas un bon critère de compétence. So here we have l'âge même. So age itself is not a good criteria of competence, which is an interesting human phenomena because we think that people that are older tend to be more competent. But age only plays a very small part in competence for a whole lot of things. Now, it certainly is useful, but it's not a universal sign of competence. Number 4. Ce bonhomme de neige que j'ai fait avec mes propres mains est un pauvre exemple d'un grand homme. So, ce bonhomme de neige, and bonhomme de neige is an expression meaning snowman. Bonhomme by itself is a word that you might call a kid, oh, mon bonhomme, hey, little guy. Bonhomme would be, could be translated as little guy or something like that if you're calling a child that. But a bonhomme de neige is a snowman, which I made with my propre main. So propre before the noun means my own hands, not my clean hands. And so this bonhomme de neige est un pauvre exemple, is a poor example, like a not good example, d'un grand homme. So grand is before homme, so this would be a great man. So this snowman that I made with my own hands is a poor example of a great man. Ma propre voiture n'est pas propre, pauvre voiture. So ma propre voiture, that would be my own car, n'est pas propre, and propre as a standalone adjective will have its normal meaning, is not clean. So my own car is not clean. Poor car, meaning, oh, that's too bad for the car. The car must be suffering.